Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my video. Today's video, we're going to talk about Clickmagick for beginners, how to make money using Clickmagick. You definitely want to pay attention to this video if you want to make money using Clickmagick. Now, if this is your first time here at this video or at this channel, hit the red subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell right below this video. That way we get videos just like this. Like, comment, subscribe, because I want to do videos and I want you to get videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is. In today's video, we're going to talk about Clickmagick for beginners, how to make money using Clickmagick. Now, Clickmagick is one of the leading providers in terms of tracking your links in your business, inside your business, when you're going ahead, especially affiliate marketers and network marketers, or anything you're trying to track. You can track your website. You can track any website using Clickmagick in terms of the clicks, in terms of the conversions, in terms of who's clicking, who's not. They even actually have a way to track the bad clicks, so you definitely want to have Clickmagick if you're doing any type of online business in terms of advertising. So here at Clickmagick, how you can make money on Clickmagick. Somebody asked me this question 2 days ago, and I said the best way, or one of the ways, is being an affiliate for Clickmagick. And as you see here, it tells you right here, Clickmagick is one of a kind and converts really well, and you see $5, $20 to EPC over time with a good affiliate traffic. So basically, pretty much what's saying is that you pretty much can make money by referring Clickmagick, to other people. So it basically says we pay out commission daily on PayPal, a 14-day lag time to allow the accounts to refund a minimum of $50. So basically, I have a minimum of $50 inside the account before they go ahead and pay you. But it's really, really good because it's one of the leading providers. And all you have to do is come to Clickmagick. And when you go to Clickmagick, you just click on accounts. Let me go from the beginning. So if I log in here, let me log out. I'm going to show you exactly where it is. Right there, right on affiliates, under accounts. You click on affiliates right there, and it's right here. You'll log into your affiliate user name and then password. And if you get anything, it's right here. And you come to this page here, and they'll go ahead and give you your affiliate link, and you fill out this information here. To get started, just create your affiliate account below, and you'll go ahead and they'll get you your own affiliate Clickmagick link, and you refer that link to any person that needs to use Clickmagick to track their business and really tracking their websites and everything like that. So you definitely want to be able to use that. It's a way of making money. And it even says here, let's make some money today. So you can definitely refer Clickmagick links and services to anybody you want to. And it's a way of making money, really. A lot of these websites does have affiliate programs, and affiliates are a way of making money for other people, especially if someone's really looking for something like this. Okay, I just started as an affiliate marketer. I have a converting offer link to promote, but now I need to basically track it. That's where you come in. You'll give them the link, and they'll go ahead and sign up under you, and you'll get the commission based on the services they go ahead and do. And right here, let me show you something else. It's pretty much anything like this, partnering with Clickmagick for long-term profits. It's a really, really good deal. And of course, right here, all the conversions. One-to-pocket industry leading 35% recurring commissions. I'm sure that sounds good. So it's a way of making money. So I want to do a quick video of saying making money by being a referral partner with Clickmagick is a way of making money. It's free to sign up as an affiliate for Clickmagick, and just a way of making some extra cash and doing videos just like this, showing people how Clickmagick works. And of course, right below this video, you can go ahead and sign up for your free trial using Clickmagick. I'll have a link, my referral link and my affiliate link right below this video, where you can go ahead and get signed up and get started with Clickmagick and go ahead and start tracking your business today. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video and to this channel. Right below this video, click on that link. Go ahead and get started with Clickmagick, your 14-day free trial. I think it's about 14-day free trial. Go ahead and get signed up. I'll see you guys in the next video. I can't wait. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow on the next video.